This is the Timex Expedition, and I want to clean the vessel. As you can tell, it's quite dirty. It's dirty right here, and all around. So in order to do that, I want to remove the inside, the movement, in order to get a good clean without messing up any of the electronics inside. I already removed the stem. Okay, so we pull that out by pushing this in and out. And now we're just gonna take out the movement completely, and then we're gonna have the vessel empty and ready to be put into the ultrasonic cleaner. So let's do that right now. All right, so there's our movement. Let's put it to the side, and now we can see our vessel. And let's take a good look all around, just to have a before and after of what it looks like. So as you can see, there's a lot of debris, a lot of gunk inside, especially here. You can tell it's quite dirty on the inside there. These parts are not too bad. Let's take a look. This side isn't too bad. There's a little bit of dirt there, but on the inner ring you can see there's a lot of debris and dirt. All right, so let's get the ultrasonic cleaner going, and yeah, let's clean this out. Okay, so this is after the ultrasonic cleaner. This is what it looks like. So you can see a lot of the gunk is gone from the edges, the entire circumference. That's all been clean, and yeah, I really like the results. Even the front part of these little numbers have also been cleaned. So right now I'm just gonna do like a little bit of detailing, like right there. I'm just gonna clean that up real quick with this little stick here. I'm just gonna get it even further in, and now that everything is like loose from the ultrasonic bath, it's a lot easier to do that. So let's get that done right now.